Hey friends, time for a little Tai Chi Bang form here. So this is good for your entire body. It's an energy type of movement that we're doing, so it's part of our essential movement practices in Qigong. In reverse positions, you can do this with any kind of stick that's about 17 inches long. Notice that I'm keeping my wrists bent. Inflection. Then we'll take it up. You want to keep your legs strong, your core activated, and use internal force as you do these movements. We're going to change our position a little bit by bringing it to the side of the arm, like so. And then we're going to take this and inhale it up. Exhale as we come down, shifting to an inhale up, exhaling down. Now notice the difference when you turn to the side and come up. It works your joints and sinews in a totally different way. We're going to change our hands now. So palms are facing me, and the movement is a little bit different. Then this time, we're going to come up, and you use the right hand in this case, this one, to push the arm farther back, and you notice that my arm is close to my ear. Then back down, shift sides. Now it's my left hand pushing back against my right arm to help come farther back. And down to original position. Then we're going to step out a little wider, starting from knees straight. We bend knees, sit down, stay erect. We're going to do the fire cycle of the microcosmic orbit. So as stick comes up, I straighten the legs. As the stick comes forward, I sit back down. This is inhalation, and this is exhalation. When I bend my knees, I'm still keeping internal force in my legs. Now we've gone the fire cycle, we're going to reverse it now and do the water cycle of the microcosmic orbit. Closing.